In front of me is a General Mobile GM5 Plus, and I'll show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So there's two different ways you can have it enabled, and the first one is by pulling the notification, and as you can see it's right here. You can just select it and it will be constantly on, or you can also hold it and it will take you to the settings where you can also do the same thing by flipping this, or you can actually tap on it and have it set to turn on automatically at either 15 or 5% battery. So I can't really show it at the moment how it would, when it would turn on, because the battery is at 22. So yeah, but basically if you set it on as it is right now, even though it's turned off, as you can see, at 15% it will turn on automatically and preserve as much battery. So yeah, now that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.